guys, it's me, Alegra. Dolls, I am back in the beauty room. Yes! I can't believe it, guys. This is actually my first video back from South Dakota, from all of that insanity. The other videos that I had posted were pre-recorded, so some of you might have sensed that, right? I'm so happy to be back in the beauty room. Back in the glam. So guys, I was in South Dakota. There was an Ulta there. Thankfully I was able to stop in and I found so many great things, and actually some of these things I also found before I left for South Dakota, and I found them at the drugstore. So everything here is either from the drugstore or from Ulta in the kind of like drugstore department, those drugstore prices that we all love. And I found some really great things, so I couldn't wait to pop in and share them with you guys. So let me get right into it and show you what I found at the drugstore. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and you will be entered into our monthly giveaways. We have a huge monthly giveaway every 27th of the month, but in addition to that, we always have fun videos and pop-up fun stuff going on, so definitely subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Yeah, so let's just get right into it. I got my little pile right here. Let me show you the first thing that I am just loving. I'm wearing it right now, and I was literally so shook when I saw it in the store, when I put it on. Oh my gosh. So let me show it to you guys. So what it is this, I'm not sure if this is new, guys, but it is new to me, and this is the Makeup Revolution Retro Luxe Matte Lip Kit. Dolls, they had a little setup at Ulta, and can I just say this was the last one left. But thankfully I got it home, and I absolutely love this color. I would love to try more, but like I said, this was the last one in store. But I'm definitely going to go online and try to get another shade, because I love this lip kit so darn much. It is exactly like my Kylie Lip Kit. It feels, the lipstick itself feels exactly like my Jeffree Star, exactly like my Kylie. It is very lightweight, super long wearing. It's matte formula. It dries down matte, so I'm wearing it right now, guys. And it does come with the matching lip liner, which I'm a lip liner junkie, so this is just right here is like heaven to me, this lip kit. So I got the shade Bow Down, and oh my god, I absolutely love it. Like I said, I am wearing it right now. It is I really have to say, guys, it's totally, to me, an exact dupe for my Kylie Lip Kit, and I could not be more happy. And oh my gosh, the best part, this was less than $10. I believe it was something like $8.99. So I had to come, and as soon as I tried it and I wore it, I've been wearing it. I absolutely love it. Super long lasting, not drying. It just is so amazing. Love this color so much. I had to come and share it with you guys. I hope you guys can get one where you're at, but I did see they're available on Ulta.com, so that is another option for you guys if you can't get it in store, because like I said, they were all sold out. Oh, and guys, don't you love those Ulta points? The other day, if you get the Ulta app and you check it while you're in store, there's like pop-up coupons that show up for you. And while I was in Ulta, a coupon popped up and it said, you know, do you want to get double or triple the points? And I was like, yes. So when I checked out, I didn't even spend that much money, but my points came up so high because of that, you know, offer that they were giving to double your points or triple your points. They do have to scan it, so on your phone. So I let her scan it. My points got so high from that one purchase, and I only spent like $100, that I wound up getting a $25 Ulta Rewards gift card. So I wound up getting so much stuff free because of that. I got that gift card for $25 from Ulta. So guys, definitely get the Ulta app if you don't have it. It is so awesome, and there's always things popping up, pop-up coupons just for you. So definitely take advantage of that, guys, because I got $25 in free stuff. Essentially, this lip kit that I just bought was free, and a few other things that I got. So let me just keep showing you guys. Guys, so another thing that I got that I absolutely love. So I saw this in the store. This is the new Maybelline Plumper Please Duo Sculpting Lip Set. But I gotta tell you, there's like a pencil, so you can wear the pencil. For me, the pencil you know, it's very, very light. What it is one side is a lip liner and the other side is a lip plumper and a lip gloss. And can I tell you guys, this lip plumper is so insanely amazing. Actually, I love this lipstick that I have on. This is the MAJESTIC, but I gotta show you guys. This stuff is so amazing. It makes your lips so big. It feels exactly like my Too Faced lip injection. It does tingle, guys. It will start to tingle. It hasn't started tingling at this moment, but the first time I put it on, I noticed that it tingled a lot. But I actually don't mind that. I kind of like it, so because I feel like my lips are getting bigger and I love that. So this is so amazing. They have a lot of different colors to choose from. I only got this one nude shade, and this is the color 200 Tease, I believe it is, but it's the 200. So I'll link everything below, but this is so bomb, guys. So this is from Maybelline. I absolutely love it. It's pretty, for me it's an exact dupe for my other lip plumpers, which is I usually do use the Too Faced lip injection, but this is an exact dupe of my lips, but better because I love this color. Actually, the lip liner though, I would not, for me, use it as a lip liner. I would more use it just to fill in all of your lips because it's very, very light. So I would actually fill in my entire lips with this and use it more like a lipstick. As a lip liner, I felt it's too light, but if you fill in all of your lips with it and then go over the lip liner with the lip gloss, that would look amazing. So that is how it will show up on your lips, kind of sort of like that with the lip liner underneath. So I absolutely love this. See, now it's starting to tingle. After a few minutes, probably it starts to tingle, but I like that. If you don't like tingle, then this probably might not be for you. But if you don't mind the tingle and you want your lips really plump and you love that kind of lip injection and lip plumping lip glosses, you'll absolutely be in heaven with this. And it is very long lasting. I wore it the other day and it did last a very long time. It definitely does plump your lips. I feel that my lips look super huge after, so I highly recommend this. So another drugstore find that I picked up at the drugstore is this body wash from Love Beauty and Planet. This is amazing. It smells so incredible, guys. It is shea butter and sandalwood scented. I actually thought this was a body lotion. It's so thick, guys. Let me try to show you how it comes out. I thought it was body lotion, but it's actually body wash. So when you put it on, you put it in your sponge, or you could probably just put it in your hand, and it smells incredible. I am not even joking. It smells so flipping good. I can't even believe how good it smells. Oh, it's really weird. It's not, it's a little reminiscent of a vanilla scent, but it's not very sweet. It's more like just, oh, it is kind of like one of those warm sugar scents, but it's not as sweet. It's more like sensual or richer and deeper, and it's very unique, and it smells, oh, I swear to God, guys, it smells so darn good. And it makes your skin feel very, very clean. And then I was worried because some body washes that are so creamy, they make your bathtub slippery. And you know, some people don't like that, but this does not leave your bathtub slippery at all. It actually washes off very clean, and your skin just feels very clean, refreshed, and smells so good. So I highly recommend this indulgent body wash for indulgent moisture. So this stuff, they actually had a few different scents. The other scents smelled amazing as well, but this one was my favorite. So this is the one that I picked up at the drugstore. It was about $7.99. So another thing, guys, couldn't wait to show you guys, was this is the Dove Refresh and Care Fresh Coconut Dry Shampoo. This is so amazing, guys. I have tried so many dry shampoos. I actually have quite a few of very expensive dry shampoos, and this one is the best. This is the best dry shampoo that I have ever used. I more than love it. The scent is amazing. It doesn't leave any white cast in your hair. It smells so good, guys. This is the coconut scent. And I gotta tell you guys, even if you don't need dry shampoo, if you put this in your hair before you curl it, your hair curls so easy, and it makes your hair, it actually makes your hair look better. It gives it volume. I cannot believe it. I love this stuff so much. Like I was saying, if you put this in your hair before you curl it and brush it through, your curls come out amazing. It gives your curls something to kind of hold on to, I guess, before you use your curling iron. So it gives it a little bit more texture. And this is only about $6.99, also at the drugstore. So I highly recommend this. I couldn't wait to get to you dolls and show you this because I love it so much. And I just can't believe how amazing it is. And it's better than all of my high-end, and it's very inexpensive. It's only, like I said, about $7. So really quickly, I just want to show you a few other things that I absolutely cannot get over how much I love. So this is at the drugstore. This is CND Vinylux Gel Nail Polish. So this nail polish is so amazing. You do not need a UV light to cure them. You just put this on, and then you have to put on the top coat. They sell it separately. It's a weekly top coat. So you put this on, and then you put on the top coat. It lasted so long. It looked exactly like my gel nails that I was getting at the salon, and it lasted so long. It lasted, I swear, like it was like 3 weeks, and it was still on my nails. So this is so amazing. I couldn't believe how amazing this is. This was my number one color for, I think, like the whole summer, lobster roll. I just kept putting it on, and I just put even one coat on top of the coat I already had, just to freshen it up, and I just loved it. I couldn't get enough. So this is amazing. Like I said, you don't need a UV lamp. Super long lasting. It is about $7 at the drugstore. It's so amazing. They have so many colors to choose from. They have a lot of really fun colors too. I highly recommend this, and I absolutely love it. And what I've been doing, guys, I saved so much money. So I go to the salon and I get now my fill-in, or if you don't have, these are my real nails, but I have acrylic on top, so I do get them filled in, and then they're covered with acrylic. But I was getting gel polish on top of that, and they were charging me like $30 extra. So now I actually told them just to do my manicure, do my fill-in, and then I go home with naked nails, and then I put this on myself, and I saved at least $30 doing that. I really love it, and you could do that at the salon as well. You could get a manicure if you want on your regular nails, and then don't get polished, and just go home and put this on, and you save so much money. So I really love this, and another thing I couldn't wait to share. So something else, guys, that I also found is that I was loving is the ALMAY Long Lasting Brow Color. So I did use this. I absolutely love it. It's like a brow tint. It's almost like dyeing your brows for a few days. Like maybe it only lasts like 2 or 3 days, but while it's lasting, it's so awesome. It's so amazing, and I think it does make your brows look better before you go in with your pencil or something like that, because it kind of makes them look thicker. It's pretty much dyeing your brows, I think, but like I said, it only lasts for a few days, and then you got to do it again. So you just leave it on. You kind of paint it on your brows for 30 minutes. You leave it on, and then you peel it off, or just kind of scrub it off, and then you're just left with thicker looking brows. It's kind of like this. It's like a gel kind of, and you just paint it on. You don't even need to do, it just really enhances your, your look, because you don't even have to go in with your pencil if you don't want. It kind of just gives you some oomph. It just makes you look, I feel like when my brows are done, I just feel like I look so much better. So with this, I was kind of like waking up feeling great. It's almost like microblading at home, but it's for that kind of feeling, but it only lasts for a few days. But then you can just do it again. So I really love this, and it is sweat proof. And so if you're sweating a lot or out in the heat or something like that, it's gonna last. So that's another good thing. So another thing I had to tell you guys really quickly, and then I'll let you dolls go, but they had these backs. They're earring backs. I don't know if you could see. So these are called Magic backs. And guys, these are so amazing for me, because a lot of times I was wearing my earrings, and I don't know if it's something wrong with my ear or what, but my earrings were always facing down, so you couldn't really see them. They would always face down. So when you use these Magic backs that they do sell at most drugstores, I've seen them at Walmart, I bought them at my CVS, but they kind of just make your earrings sit perfect, so they point outwards. So it has like this kind of backing to it, so I guess it's forcing your earrings to sit right. I mean, I had tried so many different things. I went to the jeweler and I tried to get special backs. I've been trying and trying for a long time, and I the jeweler would give me different backs, but it never still, you know, it still didn't, they still weren't sitting right. So let me try to show you guys here. So this is a regular back. You can see that they're gonna face down. I don't know if they're gonna do it right now, but they just, with the Magic back, they just sit perfect. And it kind of like, you know, even my studs were pointing down, and I just really, I just hated that because you couldn't see the stud of the earring. You would just see, it would just be pointing down like that. And then when you use the Magic backs, they sit up like higher, so you know, so you can see your earrings. So let me go ahead and put on the Magic back like that. But now when you wear the Magic backs, it sits high, it sits perfect, it's kind of like flush on your ear. And let me try to zoom you guys in. But now they're just sitting perfect, whereas before they were sitting like they were hanging down like that, kind of. So now, you know, now we can, I just feel like they sit so much better. So those are the Magic backs, and I just wanted to share those with you guys because I really love those. So guys, thank you so much for coming to hang out with me today and checking out my new drugstore finds. Let me know if you guys like any of this stuff, what your experiences are. Let me know any drugstore finds that you guys find, because you know we love to share the beauty tips and the beauty wealth. Share the beauty tips with all us babes, guys. We need your tips. So definitely let us know any great finds that you found at the drugstore lately, and you know we all want to know, so let us know, guys. So I hope you're all doing good. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it so much. So I hope you guys are all doing good, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, love you.